Question based on depression of freezing point is that 45 grams of ethylene glycol. The formula of ethylene glycol is C2H6O2 is mixed with the 600 grams of water. Calculate number A, that is the depression of freezing point. Second, that is a depression of freezing point of the solution. Freezing point of the solution is mean the TV, and depression of freezing point it means the delta TF. Got it? Now first we write the given values in the question. First we write the given values in the question. First thing, that is the mass of the ethylene glycol is ethylene glycol here acts as a solute and water acts as a solvent. That is the WB. WB mass of the ethylene glycol is 45, already given in the question. Molar mass of the ethylene glycol is 62 grams per mole. 62 grams. C2 it means the 24, and C6 S6 it means the 630, and plus 2 into 16 atomic mass of oxygen. So 16 into 2 in 32, 30 plus 32 then equal to 62 grams. And mass of the water, that is the WA is 600 grams, that is given in the question. And we already know the molar depression constant for water. Molar depression constant, that is Kf for water, is the 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Kelvin kg per mole. Now the first question, first part, depression of freezing point, that is delta TF. How we can find it? We know that delta TF equals to Kf WB into 1000 divided by MB into WA. We know the values of all these. Kf, the value of Kf is 1.86. WB, that is a 45 grams, 1000 as it is. MB, that is the molar mass of a solute. Here solute is the ethylene glycol, that is a 62 grams. And WA, this is the mass of solvent. It means the mass of water in grams. That is a 600. Okay. Now first of all we remove this point decimal and add two zeros here. And second step, that is we cancel these three zeros from denominator to the numerator. Now 15 4 times 60, and 15 3 times 45. Now we left with 186 and 3 from here, and 62 in the denominator and 4 in the denominator. Now we cancelled out 62 1 times and 62 3 times 186. We left with 3 3s are 9 divided by 4. When we divide 9 by 4, then we get 2.25 Kelvin. This is the delta TF, depression of freezing point, that is 2.25 Kelvin. This is the answer of part 1. Now the second part of the question, that is the freezing point of the solution, that is TB. Then how can we find this TB? We know that delta TF T T naught F minus T F. Here the value of delta TF is 2.25 from the first part, and T naught F is the freezing point of solvent, freezing point of pure solvent. Here the pure solvent is water, and we already know the pure freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin. Hence we put the value of uh, T naught F as a 273 Kelvin for water, and this value we can find. Now shift, by shifting, we get TF. We can shift this value from here to here and goes into the positive, and we shift this value from uh, left hand side to right hand side, and this becomes negative value. So del TF equals to 273 minus 2.25. After subtracting, we get TF equal to 270.75 Kelvin. This is the answer for the second part, and TF is the freezing point of the solution. Freezing point of the solution. Okay, thank you.